Hello guys, as we all know that there is a new product about to launch on 5th of June, which is a YouTube Rainmaker, and there is a kind of buzz around about this YouTube Rainmaker, and people are so skeptical about this product. Actually, the product is about to launch on 5th of June, but sale is already is going on. Okay, many people have already bought their membership, and they are enjoying and learning things and new strategies to improve their videos uh, for their business and for their sales. Okay, so they are all enjoying and they are learning, and then again they will start with the new strategies and build up with new videos, and they will just try to snatch all, not all, but some of your some of your visitors. Okay, so in this video I want to show you some glimpse of the membership area, and that we will we get the authentication when we will purchase this product. Okay, so first of all we will start with the with their sales page. Okay, and then I will show you that what they are providing into your membership area. Okay, so as you see, this is YouTube Rainmaker sales page. Okay, just see what else they are providing here. They have showed a lot of information. They showed some claims that many peoples who do not know any strategies at the time when they have published their videos, and now their videos gone viral and they are earning in millions. Okay, so that's a really so remarkable thing that many peoples really do not know. But if we add up these things into our videos and our way of publishing things, then we might get that level of visitors. And you, as you all know, when there is traffic to a website, you have, that's all, you just have to convert those traffic into conversions. Okay, so in this video strategies, he is about to tell everything. Okay, from beginner to expert level. See, there are a couple of more examples here. The Charlie Bit My Finger, these two kids, their whole life was changed because of this just silly video of around not even completely 1 minute even. Okay, so you can see that there are a lot of things happening in the YouTube has a very high potential of earning. Just we need some strategy, and so that we can get things for ourselves. As you see, this is the program list, and these are the modules that you will get starting from this week 1 module, step by step video creation. Okay, and second module you have how to generate video views, which is very important. This is a beginner level module series, and these are around 5 in numbers. Okay, and after that what they are telling you, that they will provide you 3 bonuses. Yes, all are correct, and they are providing everything what they have told. Because earlier I was also a little bit skeptical about this, but let just talk less and go to the members area. See, this is my members area, members area of YouTube Rainmaker. Okay, here you can see this is home. This is the first kit that we will directly purchase on the sales page. There are 2 other products inside this membership area that just eventually, as we gradually go through the training, we get that level of expertise, then we will buy those products. Okay, so as you will see, I just want to show once again my affiliate area. Let's see, this is my affiliate area, where you have seen that they have provided that 3 products. Totally they are providing 3 products, and which YouTube Rainmaker is the first product, of which any affiliate will get 70% commission. After that, there is another product which is YouTube Rainmaker Blueprint. which is one-time offer program. Okay, and here also you're getting 50%. And there is a membership program in which Patrick, you have seen, these are two authors, Gerald Shaw and Patrick Chan. So the third one, which is a membership program in which Patrick Chan provides you all the necessary informations and guidelines to just go through your business and just explode it, okay, into the market, and you will just get lot of visitors. And because as with this program, with this YouTube Rainmaker program, you are getting visitors. Okay, now after all, with this membership program, you will get an expertise and a guided continuous guided assistance, in which by which you can just harness that those quantity of visitors into sales. Okay, so let's see, and let's come again to the membership area. So these are the modules of the first program, which is the YouTube Rainmaker. Okay, as they have told you, there are 5 modules. So these are the five modules. So for the copyright limitation, I cannot just show you more inside of that, but just I can show you this much. Another thing, I want to show you a glimpse of the second product which is inside of that, and that is Blueprint. Okay, that is a YouTube Rainmaker's Blueprint, in which there are 4 modules. There are 4, you can say there are 4 models, in which in the first model is providing information. These are all video based program, and there are ebooks also of individual programs to revise things. There is a blueprint also they will provide to revise things. Okay, in the first model of Blueprint, YouTube Rainmaker Blueprint, they are providing information regarding YouTube store to sell physical products. Okay, second one is passive income with affiliate marketing, means how to implement these all video making strategies to harness affiliate visitors. Means you can say to harness the visitors or the scope of earning money through affiliate marketing. And the third one is a lead generation business, which anybody can implement into any offline or online business, which is very important. Leads are very important. Okay, let's see the special bonuses. Okay, here's the special bonuses. See, this is my special bonus section where I can download the bonuses. Okay, the first one is, you can see they have provided 6 additional PDF. In this 6 additional PDF, they are covering the mind maps for quick revision that we have learned from the YouTube Rainmaker. Okay, as well as the mind map, the short and summary of all those things, in addition to the ebook based on each individual modules. Okay, and second one is as they have provided, they have committed that they will provide 400 plus photo illustration and royalty free music. So this is in the section here. Okay, and third one is the secret case study, in which Gerald Shaw is explaining that how he has earned around $150 within 3-4 hours. Okay, using this strategy, one by one, step by step, he is about to show you that how he has implemented what we have learned in module 1 to 5. Okay, so overall, my purpose of showing this video is that there is a lot of buzz about this product, and there is a lot of skepticals that people are so skeptical about that, and there are some negative reviews also regarding this product. In my perception, as I have gone through this product, this is excellent product. Okay, and they are providing basic and some very secret informations and secret strategies that randomly peoples like Nigahiga and all these peoples who are earning millions in YouTube at the time when they do not know anything about how to produce and how to publish videos, but accidentally, and now they know how, and now their video quality shows that thing that they are now professional. Okay, so these are very important and very secret guidelines. If anybody master these things, then it's it is very easy for that person to implement this thing into his personal life, into his personal website, or any product of his own, or any affiliate product, uh, or any offline business. You can use YouTube to uh, to to generate traffic to your offline or online business, because YouTube has enough, I can say, enough potential in the YouTube, because there are huge number of visitors of and of very wide variety of area of interest. Okay, as you've seen that my English is not perfect, but still I try to convey a lot of information about this whole thing. And any affiliate that who are just so serious about to promote this product, I want to just tell them also that please keep doing. This product will rock in the market when it comes into. Okay, and people who are so skeptical about, they will really just lose all these skepticals, all this confusion, and they will just think the same way as I do. Okay, because I am just going through their series of modules. Okay, so good day to everybody, and I appreciate everybody to buy. I just recommend, because I found this product useful. uh, Even it is useful than the product available in the market. Okay, so hope it's after all, it's your own choice, and just go through, do some more of your research. But these are my perceptions, and as you have seen all these things, I've shown you the proof that I've also purchased the product. And if a person has purchased already and he is just saying good about it, I'm also, the thing is not just I have purchased, I have implemented a lot of their strategies to my own business, and I have really getting good results. Okay, so hope you will go with this, and you will also experience and discover the same feelings as I do. Thank you very much for watching this. Good day.